Hi, it's Dr. Boden with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut. Thank you for tuning in. I want to introduce you to a patient, Fred. Fred is a man in his 40s. He's got diffuse loss or heading towards a Norwood 6. Right now he's in Norwood 5 category. He has very soft, fine hair, and we wanted to take a look at some before and after pictures and a quick comb through video of the recipient as well as the donor at 1 year out. We did a single procedure, FUT procedure, meaning a linear extraction, because Fred keeps his hair a little bit longer. He doesn't shave it. He did great. 1 year out, he's feeling much more confident and no regrets. Thanks for tuning in. It's Dr. Boden with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut.